Hey darlings, welcome back to 26 Ways to Draw a Letter. This series is brought to you by Secura and I am Lise. Now today we're gonna explore the letter W, and I've sort of tried to not make it like just duplicate the V that we did last time, but to come up with 26 different versions of the letter. So it's not just like a V times 2, but it's actually 26 different or new kind of letters. Okay, grab your pen of choice. I'm using the Secura Pigma Microns because I love them the most. And also either you can download and print the practice sheet linked below, or you can grab a blank piece of paper and draw the letters all by yourself. So W, let's go.
So the size 8 and 12 accompanies me once more as we dive into not one weave but the double U. Okay, so we're not going to do a ripoff of V and just double it. That would be like sort of cheating. Starting instead with a sort of flowy V. I'm not going to fill that one in. No, I'm not. I'm going to leave it as it is. And then the W that moves basically like a ball that is bouncing between two walls, whatever. There. Ball bouncing between two walls make up for W. And do you know what this looks like? Boobs! I drew boobs. Okay, the next one is, I'm thinking of a W that is more of a, like it's flatter at the bottom. There. Makes an interesting shape. Perhaps we could add some shade as well. And for rehearsal, I have turned on the lamp in the upper left corner, making the shade fall on the right side and below every line in this letter. There. Okay, going to an even flatter shape. This is a square that I'm gonna make a W out of. So a tiny V there, and perhaps in the ending there and in the middle. And now more. The first W, up to the left, it didn't do the flowy thing that I thought it would. So now I'm making another one. That's how you do it. You just keep doing them until you feel that it turned out somewhat like you wanted it to. And as you know, we need to fill the letters in to give them some weight and to stop them from flying around, make them stay on the paper, and then we get to choose if we want to add some more or take something off. If you want to take something off, I recommend you use a pencil and not a fine liner. That one I like much better than the first one. Okay, so W with, I think, just lines right below the saggy boobs. Just doing that kind of pattern. And now I think I want to do something more pointy. Almost like a little bit sharp. And that one could go up like that. And here are two V's put on top of each other. Right. I'm not going to fill that one in. I kind of like the overlap. And here is, I present to you some sort of, I think, ribbon-ish W. Let's see if I can pull this off. So, there. I'm trying, you guys. Yes, and then it goes up like the other side. Ooh, almost looks like some sort of dinosaur. Anyways, let's fill in some of the parts here that will be the like flip side or the back of the banner, to like, so that everyone really understands that this is a flat banner that I folded so and so into a W, and now I can't pull that last one off. I'm sorry. Almost made it. Almost. Next time I'm gonna do the ribbon twist on the last part of the letter as well. For now, it's the head of the dinosaur. Okay, here's a big and chunky, really big and chunky W. You know what? It sort of looks like, yeah, a pumpkin. And it's a good thing that you saw that it actually was a W before I added all the other details, because now you can't see it at all. Okay, here's a 3-line W, trying to keep the distance between the lines and not letting them cross each other. There. And 2. I like that one. Okay, curly and pointy, some script-ish W. And curls. Right. So here's a W that is sort of broad. Like it's man spreading, sort of. There. Rounded bottom and a more flat top. A W could also be, what did I start? Okay, so I'm gonna have to start it in the wrong direction. So here, now I'm starting a W made out of tipping, like books. Like, you know, you have a shelf filled with books and you pick too many books and you pull them out, so there's only a few left. And they are unstable because now suddenly they're all on their own, so they start falling to the side, reaching to each other for support. That is what I've drawn here. Yeah. And you know me, we do need, we definitely do need the slab serif version of this letter as well. There's something in, it's not that I like how it looks, I just love to draw the slab serif letters. So, oops, be a small one in the middle. Yeah. It's just the drawing thing that is so enjoyable. So, there you go. And now I'm thinking about, sort of the mix of the soft and the more straight one. Or the more straight parts. Like, those are the soft parts. And to give a little bit of balance, I also have this little loop here. Like that one. W made out of one line that sort of intersects there. And I'm thinking, really can't get my mind off this stupid ribbon thing that I couldn't make work. I'm not doing a ribbon again, don't worry. I was just thinking that maybe we could do something like this. Still looks like a dinosaur or some sort of water, ancient prehistoric kind of creature, like the Loch Ness creature just popping up over the surface of that lake. There. I know. Got this. It's a W with very long, like, arms to the side. Almost looks like one part of the Wonder Woman logotype, right? Yep. Almost. I said almost. A quick and simple monoline W script version, and a more irregular soft and squishy one there. Perhaps we can enhance the regularity by this like abstract kind of pattern. Okay, so just drawing random lines, and since I need to fill that line out, I'm gonna just do the lines or the borders here a little bit thicker, and irregularity being key here, they don't have to be equally thick, of course. And there. And the last part up here. Okay, 3 more to go. A heavy bottom W. Like that. Oh, hey, it looks like these old theater masks, these symbols of like comedy and tragedy. Sort of. Yeah. There they are. Second to last, I'm gonna draw a W made out of only horizontal lines. Still using the size 8 as I did for the facial expressions of the last letter, or the latest letter. It's not the last one yet, not yet. Okay, so here are 3 tornadoes. Now how do I connect these in the end? Okay, let's see. We're gonna so the tornadoes or the hourglasses or whatever this is, it's there. There's your W. Okay, last one. I'm thinking bubbles or like loops or whatever you want to call it. Right, like this. And I need to fill it in. I kind of dig this rounded, happy shape. Okay, so filling it in like that. Oops, not sure what happens with the focus there, but this is the last W, so hang in there. Just filling it in, and when I'm done, we have drawn 26 different letters, including saggy boobs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.